Okay, so the initial scenes were really cute when with the indifferent Bilal. Those were cute scenes,
Huh?
okay? The indifferent
Which ones?
Bilal. The
Oh
indifferent,
yeah, yeah,
those were cute,
yeah, yeah.
right? And I
Yes,
wish
yes,
we had
yeah.
more of those.
Right, yeah.
And I wish that they had built more on that.
They should have extended that phase, instead of like
That
Bilal
track should have been
jumping into a
extended
proposal.
to make it more plausible,
Absolutely.
I
Yes.
think.
Uh,
And I don't know, like the chemistry between the two, like it was okay. Like I know, people loved it for some odd reason. I was okay with it.
hmm.
Nothing like amazing. It was okay.
For me, it didn't work because,
I mean, I was okay with it.
yeah,
Um, it wasn't
I
like
was like,
Kafara or
I
anything.
wish, I wish they hadn't shown a romantic inclination here. I wish they had just maintained that, he is just friends with her and he's guiding her through this mess. That would
Mm-hmm.
have been, I would have been okay with that track,
I would have been okay with that too, actually.
yeah.
Because I
Well,
mean,
what
it
the
was
show is, it's zero sense.
or maybe like they could have expanded that indifferent phase more. Um,
Hmm. Yeah, because that phase
maybe that
made
would have made
sense,
a
and the
difference, but I don't
sudden
know like how what what is the chemistry dependent on? That's my question for you.
they don't give any tender moments from either from Iman's side. Like we never see Iman being like tender towards Bilal. We see a very angry Iman, and we see an Iman who gets angry at the drop of the hat, and then we see an Iman who talks in like in the air, with, says esoteric things in the air.
I don't think
But we
that's the
never
only
see a
thing
very
because in Kafara too, like I mean, there were not that many tender moments either.
Kafara for me did not work post marriage. To be
Huh?
honest.
Really?
Before that, yeah, I stopped watching it
Really?
post marriage. Like, I've watched a few episodes. Remember, she was always grumpy. She was always grumpy, and I'm like, it's not working for me.
No, actually,
Um,
actually, I'm watching it again, and it's much better second time around.
is it? I mean,
Yes.
I was like the before marriage, it was much better, and then definitely there was a
Oh yeah,
given,
for sure, for
there
sure.
was a lot of back and forth between them that made it so interesting and so amusing, right?
I'm thinking
But
about
post
like Dilhito Hai. Like that was cute.
Oh, yes.
That was
That
so
was probably
cute.
by far one of the best. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was by far. I
Yeah,
mean,
I
they
know.
had their grievances and then they had their tender moments when they kept,
Right, right.
look, like you could see the building up on each
Mm-hmm.
side, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here, you don't see the building up on Iman's side very well. And this abrupt shift in Bilal's end was also like too much to like take in. Where did this sudden change happen? वो जो पेपर अगर मुंह में then आँख में गया उससे ही हो गया like this
मुझे
is
नहीं
so
पता.
bizarre. No, it
I
was
mean, but
yeah,
I'm
it
just
was.
thinking like, okay, okay, this is the writing part, right? I mean,
Hmm.
what what could have the actors done to make it work?
I I don't know because I can't say that Ali didn't act well. I can't say that Hina didn't do well.
Mm-hmm.
It's just that the moments were not there. The moments were
But
not
so weren't like the
created.
moments that weren't there between Layla and Bilal either. But there was chemistry.
Yes, because you don't see Laila like talking gibberish. Like you don't see Laila being super philosophical and saying things in a very philosophical way, right? Okay, but Iman, you make Iman talk in like gibberish literally. She doesn't talk like a normal human being.
No, that's not true.
मेरे
No.
मेरे ईमान मेरे पापा का वो ये कुछ तो like okay, so this is a scene right between Iman and Bilal where Bilal is like कि तुम बात क्यों नहीं करती and she's like you want me to talk drop me home हाँ या फिर पापा को मत बोलना कि मैं यहाँ आया था इसके साथ उसका क्या संबंध हुआ like your fiance is saying that I want you to share things with me I want to talk to you and you're saying acha then don't tell my papa that I'm here huh. Did you see? Like the flow is not there. The romantic flow is not there, and कुछ तो eye exchanges होने चाहिए, कुछ तो like you
आई
know
एक्सचेंजेस तो हुए थे like at the mall वो तो हो गया था
हाँ वो
like,
मैं जूता खरीद रही जूता खरीद यार खरीद ही लेना कितने बार स्लीपर स्लीपर so no, it was just not, the moments were just not there, like you
I don't
know,
know. I
I
mean, I
mean,
feel like I don't know. Like, I mean, yes, for sure. Like, you both acted well, but there has to be something that the actors can do to bring chemistry, and I don't know what it is.
because give and take नहीं था जब वो बिलाल was an indifferent बिलाल तब थोड़ा give and take था वो
Huh? I
कुछ
like that
अजीब कर
phase.
रही है
Like, that
वो
was a
कुछ
really
उसको
good phase,
हाँ
and I
there
wanted
was
it to
give and
last
take and there
longer.
was yeah and that give and take had like meaning, the sentences had meaning. उसके बाद
Uh,
जो रोमांस फेज में गया उसमें ईमान की बातों का कोई मतलब ही नहीं हो रहा था टू मी
uh,
एंड बिलाल इज लाइक सर्चिंग फॉर आंसर्स ऐसे लग रहा था और ईमान कुछ तो उसको इधर उधर का बातें समझा रही थी बट एज अपोज टू दैट लैला एंड बिलाल लाइक जो सवाल है उसका जवाब है और जवाब भी लेजिटिमेट है सवाल भी लेजिटिमेट है यू नो देयर वाज लाइक यू
yeah.
कुड tell that these guys are conversing. वहां पे क्या चल रहा था? I don't know. I think they could not create the romantic moments, to be honest.
Yeah, they could not
They
create them. That's what
just
I'm saying. Like, they could not create them for some odd reason. I don't know what
it's
the reason was, but like,
it's a failure of the script writing. It's not. It's. I don't think I will put it on the actors. Script में ही नहीं बनाया गया था moments को.
are you sure?
So yes, I
Mariam,
think
can
so.
you go outside? Can pay